Hey guys, it's Agatha. In this video, we're going to learn how to disassemble the iBooth. So we're going to have Johnny step up and he's going to disassemble. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the two little knobs. And this is how you're going to remove your iPad from this unit. You're not going to need to do it every time. I normally leave mine inside all the time. But if you need to take it out, because we are at a trade show and somebody actually just bought the floor model, so we're going to show you how to take out the iPad. So we're just going to go ahead and just bring it forward, and you're going to see really quickly that we have this attached right here. This will be included in your purchase. So all you're going to do is disconnect that, let that live right there. And once you take this off, all you're going to do is turn these little knobs. Go ahead, Gab, help me take that out. Once these little knobs come out, now we can go ahead and hold on to the iPad just in case it falls. Cool. Or if you want to just lay it down.
I got it.
Cool. So we're taking these four pieces out.
You dropped one.
I know. All right, cool. So
Awesome.
now that that's done, I'm going to just set this aside. I'm going to lift this.
Did it fall on your shoe?
It bounced.
We're taking this out.
Check under the printer stand.
And then we're going to remove this out of the way. Now we have the iPad taken out. And now we're going to put the tray back onto its face and put the screws back on.
Got it? Oh, Jesus.
Okay. Number 4. And while he's putting that, all we're gonna do is put those right back on the faceplate. Hey Gab, can you help me with these really quick? Now we're going to remove these. Put that back in there. And it's just as easy as putting these back into the sockets. So righty-tighty. All right. Another one.
You ready to come out?
One more screw. Hold on. All right, and now Gabby has already removed the 2 black screws that go in the back. So now they're going to lift it. They're going to unscrew this so that way it doesn't disconnect. We're going to disconnect that. And this is what actually feeds the power for your lights as well as your charger. So now we're going to put this back in. And I'm also going to do this. Go left, light, left, 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 left. Yeah, I think one of the other remotes has a remote. And then normally I put this in there on the back with a Velcro. You could put that there, or if not, you could put it away inside the case. See that? Once you disassemble this, you're just twisting this, and then it will disconnect. Just like so. Now we're going to do the same thing down here. And then just so you can see here, Johnny is going to lay the case down. The case does have bumpers at the bottom, which is nice. You're going to easily just open that up. And then you'll have some foam, so go ahead and remove that foam and whatever else is in there. Take that other foam out from the bottom. So now that I'm done with this, we can lift that and we're officially done. You'll notice at the bottom, you'll have those 2 screws, and then you'll also have some bumpers down here as well. All right, so normally the way we do it first is you're gonna put your base plate in first. Put your foam on top. Then I'll put your face down. Put your foam on top. And then these usually just go laying in here. We put that in the center. We give you some extra foam. And I think that was from another booth.
This one?
Yeah, and then we're gonna put the AC adapter in there as well. So everything's nice and compact and nothing should move, which is cool. And then we're gonna take that AC adapter out. So just to show you here, you're gonna get an AC adapter just like this. So you're just gonna wrap it up and then you just toss that back into the case.
Awesome, exciting.
And that's how you successful disassemble. Absolutely,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, we're
I'm
gonna
gonna post it up
see
on YouTube. You put in that big portion right there, yeah. Yep, that works like that. And there you have it. So we've successfully taken out the iPad. We've taken the whole entire booth apart. If you guys are interested in purchasing, make sure you visit us at 360 Photo Booth Expert. And this booth is called the iBooth. You will get a travel case exactly like that, and it looks exactly like a suitcase, so you can check this into any airplane if you guys are going to be flying anywhere. And you're going to hit that little lever and then slide up, and now you have a roller. There you go.
Awesome. Good to go.